perform the elevator push-up, assume the push-up position with your feet on the ground, hands planted firmly underneath your shoulders. Then imagine this position is the top floor of a large building. The elevator push-up requires that you go down to each floor very slowly until you reach the ground floor, and then you get to start back at the starting position. So if I'm in a 6th floor building, it's 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to start. The taller your building, the harder it gets, complete with good form through all repetitions. This exercise is the elevator push-up. It's a challenging variation of the push-up exercise that makes you fight gravity. Let's get into it.